If you've been spending some time on TikTok, then you most likely have seen this journal. It's called the Shadow Work Journal. Now, this product has made more than $4 million in only 90 days inside TikTok. This girl has sold more than 435,000 of these journals in the past 90 days. Now, that is close to more than 5,000 units every single day. And she's selling these shadow work journals from anywhere between $6 to $15 per piece. Now, if you do the math, that's close to more than $38,000 in sales every single day. Now, she was able to do all these sales inside TikTok with a new business model called TikTok Shop and utilizing organic TikTok videos to generate sales. Now, in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly the process that she utilized to make all that money and how you too can capitalize on this opportunity without having to have any prior e-commerce experience, without spending any dollars on marketing, and without having to shoot any TikTok videos yourself. All right, guys, let's dive right in. There's a new business model called TikTok Shop. There's a new feature that TikTok just released where you can sell products directly through TikTok videos. Let's go into my phone so I can show you guys exactly what that is. Now, here's an example of one of the many videos going viral for that particular shadow work journal. As you can see, it's just a review video of a girl talking about it. But as you can see on that video, there's a link where you can purchase the product directly from it. All right, as you can see, you can simply click on it and you can purchase directly from that video. Now, from what we can see inside TikTok, they even shows us how many units they've actually sold. As you can see, they've sold now more than 496,000 of these shadow work journals. And all these sales have been generated through organic TikTok videos just like that one. Now, you may be asking yourself, how can you take advantage of this opportunity? Well, how it works is you are simply going to list your products on a TikTok seller account. And then you're going to reach out to creators just like the one that I showed you. Now, you're going to send them a sample of your product. Now, these people are going to make videos of your product. Now, whenever someone purchases a product from those creators' videos, these creators are going to earn a commission. This is why these people are so incentivized to make videos of your product. And this is the crazy opportunity, right? This is how this girl that owns the Shadow Work Journal has been able to make so much money because she simply just works with a lot of different creators. So not only can you now sell products directly through TikTok videos and build a brand, once you start generating a lot of sales from TikTok, you can actually expand now to Amazon. As you can see, she started in TikTok Shop and her brand got so popular, now she listed it on Amazon. Now here's her listing on Amazon right now, and I'm gonna go ahead, run our Chrome extension so you guys can see how much money she's making on Amazon alone. She's made $35,000 this month in sales just on Amazon alone. And if I go here inside Shoplus.net, Shoplus essentially is a TikTok shop analytics software. Okay, so as you can see, here's her product. And inside TikTok Shop, from August 1st to October 31st, she's done $4.2 million in sales and has sold more than 435,000 units. Now, she's actually been live on TikTok for longer than that. Now, if we go back to June 19th, all the way to December 22nd, she has generated more than $4.9 million in revenue and has sold close to 500,000 of these shadow work journals, guys. Now, in this video, I'm going to explain to you the process that she did in order to make that much money and how you too can capitalize. Now, you may be asking yourself, okay, why should you listen to me? Well, my partners and I actually do sell on TikTok ourselves. Here is our TikTok seller account. And as you can see, we've done more than $500,000 in sales ourselves from June 26th to December 22nd. All right. This is our first year selling on TikTok and we've already done more than $500,000. This is how big of an opportunity this is. I've personally been selling on Amazon for well over 7 years, and I've never seen growth like this. So just the fact that you're watching this video before anybody else, you're already ahead of everybody. So make sure you take some notes because we're going to be going over a lot of information on how you can capitalize on TikTok Shop. Okay, now let me explain to you how the whole process works. So we're going to talk about, first, you're going to find a product. Then we're going to talk about getting that product to what's called a third-party logistics warehouse. And then once it's there, we're going to talk about finding creators for your product. Okay, now what's really cool about this It's okay, is that you can start with this business as a seller, which is having a product and having creators do it for you, which is what the owner of Shadow Work Journal did. Her name is Kayla Shaheen. That's the author of it, right? So that's a seller. I mean, in that side is where you're going to be making most of the money. But now let's say you don't want to sell products and you simply just want to become a creator for other products. You can do that as well. In order to become a creator, it's super simple. Just go on your TikTok account, switch it to a business account, and once you start scrolling on TikTok and the videos would say eligible for commission, you simply click that and you'll be able to apply to become a creator for these products. Now, you may be asking yourself, well, Dave, I've never had any videos of mine go viral on TikTok. How am I going to make videos for other people's products that are gonna go viral, right? Or maybe how are the videos for my product gonna go viral? What you guys need to understand is that now TikTok is incentivized to push these videos that have a product attached to them, because TikTok is going to make 3% on every sale that happens, right? For your product or for anybody else's product that you may be wanting to market, right? They're incentivized to get a lot of views on these videos because it's gonna make them money. Don't believe me? Let's go into my phone and let me show you some videos that would have never gone viral. And because they have a product listing attached to them, promoting some product, they went viral. Here, let me show you. Here's the first video right here of this guy pushing Journal Limitless. Is called the product. As you can see, there's the link for the product. The video itself is super bad quality. He's just reviewing this product and trying to get sales for it. As you can see, that product got 12.6 thousand likes on TikTok, which means it went super viral. Here's another one, right? Super bad quality review video of this 100 envelope challenge. So it's like a savings journal. As you can see, there's the link for the product where people can purchase it. And as you can see, that video got 61,000 likes, which means it got millions of views. Here's another video. This girl's here. She's selling a portable selfie light, it looks like, or she's promoting one or reviewing one. And as you can see, there's the link for a product to purchase. And that video got 19,000 likes. Here's another one, another simple, just promoting a book there. And as you can see, that one has 66,000 likes. And as you can see, same like the other videos that went viral, it has the link to purchase the product. And finally, this one's crazy. This guy's literally just in his car. The video is kind of half-ass made, but it's an honest review of someone talking about this 369 manifestation journal, it looks like. And as you can see, there's a link for the product, and that video got more than 400,000 likes, which means it got millions and millions of views. Now, these videos would have never gone viral, but the fact that is that they have a product link attached to them where people can purchase these products. They're being organically pushed more and more my TikTok. And you may be asking yourself, why is TikTok doing this? Well, because they're incentivized. Because TikTok is going to make a percentage on every sale that happens, about 3% usually, right? So here's where the great opportunity is, guys. You're getting free marketing on your products. TikTok is literally pushing out your videos for you, and people can purchase your products directly from those videos. Now that I got your attention, let's talk about how you can capitalize on this. Now, let's say, for example, you don't know what product that you want to sell on TikTok. Well, there's a site called Shoplus.net, okay? This is a TikTok shop analytics tool that you can utilize to help you. You're simply going to go to products, you're going to go to top sales, and it shows you which products are currently popular right now on TikTok. For example, this month, as you can see, this detangling hairbrush has made more than $4.3 million in sales this month. Okay, so and here it shows you which one are the top sellers. So it shows you from first, you can scroll all the way down to the 100th position. So you can get a lot of ideas here on different products that you can sell. That's if you don't already have an idea of what you want to sell. Okay, I want to make sure that you guys understand this. You're not limited to only selling what you see here. Maybe you're passionate about something, right? Maybe you're passionate about fitness or mental health, kind of like the Shadow Work Journal author was. Maybe you're passionate about, golfing and you want to launch your own golf club brand. You can do it. What I want you to understand is this, is if you can make content around the product idea that you have in your head, then you can launch it. Okay, I want you to understand that you're not limited to only what I'm going to show you here. Now, this is only for people that don't know what to sell. Here you can get a lot of good ideas because here you can see what's currently selling on TikTok Shop and how much money it's making, right? So these are products that are already proven on the market. So here you can get some ideas. For example, the tangling hairbrush. Say we want to sell that on TikTok. The next step is you want to go ahead and you want to create your TikTok seller account. To create one, you're going to go to seller.tiktok.com. It's free to have a seller account for TikTok. Now, one thing, if you are in the United States, you don't need to have a company. You don't need to have an LLC to create one. You can do it with your personal information. Now, If you are from outside of the US, you're gonna have to create a company right here in the US in order to do that. Now, you can be from the UK, Australia, or anywhere in the world and create a company here in the US. It's completely doable. If you want our help, simply on the bottom of this video, there's gonna be a section where you can apply to our program and book a call with my team. Okay. Again, if you have any questions with TikTok Shop, feel free to ask them right here in the comment section as well. Okay, so we're moving forward. Remember, in order to create a TikTok seller account, if you live in the United States, you don't need an LLC. You can do it with your personal information, and it's completely free to create one. Okay, so once you have your TikTok seller account, maybe you've already picked a product from Shoplus that you want to sell. The next step is you're gonna find a supplier. Now, there are two main websites that I like to use to find suppliers. You're gonna go to Wholesale Central. That's to find suppliers right here in the United States. You can find suppliers for health and beauty, jewelry, anything, practically anything here in the US. What's great about working with USA suppliers is that the turnaround time on your products is really fast. So that means that you can have products selling on TikTok 3 weeks from now if you decide to go with them, right? So it's very fast. Now, you can also go to Alibaba.com. Alibaba is a site that connects you with suppliers overseas. So, for example, if I wanted to find a supplier for that detangling hairbrush, I'll come over here, go to Alibaba, go to Alibaba, search for the keyword. And as you can see, we can find it right away. 60 cents per piece. And if I go to, I can see that it's selling for $16 on Shoplus. So pretty good. And I see that it's selling on TikTok Shop for anywhere between $9 and $11 per piece. And you can get it for 60 cents. Now, one thing I want to make sure you guys understand is that make sure that you are doing a trademark and patent search before selling these products on TikTok to make sure that you don't get into any trouble. Okay, so you have your TikTok seller account created. You have your product that you want to sell. You have your supplier. Right? Typically, whenever you're going to start this business, I recommend that you start with just 100 pieces, okay? Just start with 100 pieces, buy those from your supplier, and what's going to happen next is you're going to ship your products from your supplier in Alibaba or Wholesale Central to what's called a 3PL warehouse right here in the United States, okay? It's a third-party logistics warehouse. These warehouses are gonna handle all of the storing of your products, packing of your products, and shipping of your products to the customer. Now, how do you find these warehouses? You can use Google. Just simply type into Google 3PL warehouse for TikTok Shop and start reaching out to these companies. Everybody that joins our program, which I do wanna say I do have a TikTok program. We help you literally with everything that has to do with TikTok. Everybody that joins our program will get a list of all of our warehouses that we are currently using to fulfill all our orders for you. And it's very important that when you're reaching out to these third-party logistics warehouses that they ship out your orders within 3 days of receiving them, okay? So what's gonna happen is once you reach out to these warehouses is then you're going to give them user permission access to your TikTok seller account. They're gonna see orders come in for your products, and then once they see the orders, these companies are going to go ahead and ship out your orders for you to the customer. That's very, very important. But it's important that they're shipping out these orders no later than 3 days so you can keep a good TikTok Shop health account, okay? Remember that. So you have your products at the warehouse that you've reached out to, right? So you shipped out your products from your supplier's warehouse to the third-party logistics warehouse. You're gonna be ready to sell. Final step is you need to find creators to make videos of your product, okay? It's very essential to have the right people making videos of your product. Just like that girl that I showed you guys, she was making a video for that shadow work journal, right? The shadow work journal owner, her name is Kayla Shaheen, she's the author, right? She has hundreds of these people making videos of her product. That's how she's been able to scale so freaking fast. Now, you may be wondering, okay, Dave, well, how the hell am I going to find creators for my product? Simple. Inside your TikTok Shop seller account, there's a section that's called affiliate. Right here, you're going to go to get started. TikTok actually gives you a list of all of the different creators, okay, that have signed up with TikTok to become creators for other people so they can earn commission, right? You can do this too. Like I said, you just go to your TikTok, switch it to a business account, and you become creators for other sellers and start earning commission. Typical commission with creators is anywhere between 3% to 10%. You may have to pay some creators up front. It all depends on their following and how much money they've made. So for example, here on TikTok Shop, it shows you all the different creators and how much revenue they've actually generated for other sellers. So for example, here I'm gonna go to find creators. We're gonna go to creators right here, and you can filter by category, right? So for example, say I wanted to sell that detangling hairbrush. We're gonna go to beauty and personal care, and we're only gonna look for creators that have experience with selling what's hair care, right? Because my product is a hair care item. Say I want to sell that hair care item. And as you can see, it gives you a list of all of the different creators that have experience with, for example, selling that same product, right? So as you can see, she has experience of making videos, talking about that, the tangling hairbrush. She's already generated more than $300,000 for other sellers. So then what you can do is you can invite them to make videos on your product, guys. And all you do is simply negotiate with them, simply send them a sample of your product. They'll start making videos of your product, and all you need to do is sit back and watch the sales come in. Now, guys, obviously there's more that goes to this business. This is why I've created a completely free training video that's going to show you more in depth how my partners and I have done more than $500,000 in sales so far with TikTok Shop in the past 180 days. So in order to get this video, all you need to do is simply go to the description of this video right here, and you'll be able to see the link, right? It will take you right to the video. Also, after you watch the video, you can apply to our coaching program where we work one-on-one with you and we help you launch your TikTok store. Okay, but very important, make sure you watch that video in detail so you really understand how everything works. Also, in the description of this video, you are going to be able to sign up and save a spot for our weekly webinar where my partners and I go live on this webinar once a week, and we explain the whole process, and you have also access to ask us questions that have to do with TikTok Shop. Also, in the description of this video, you'll see a link to my private e-com club that you can join with other people in the same path as you, people that are looking to start an e-commerce brand, or maybe that already started their journey with TikTok Shop and also Amazon FBA. If you liked this video and it gave you a lot of information, all I ask for in return is to simply subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and to join my weekly giveaway where I choose one of you that does the following. Number one, subscribes to the channel. Number two, gives this video a thumbs up. And number three, comments the word how to sell on TikTok Shop on this video. I'll pick one of you and I'll send $100 directly to your PayPal. That being said, I want to congratulate our winner from our last video. Here it is. Congratulations. Be on the lookout because I'm going to be sending $100 directly to your PayPal. All right, guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys on the next.